Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand video. So right now Bitcoin is absolutely we are in long side, but it was do a breakdown. You can see here break the trend, my brother's trend line, and you can see here it was starting crashing. So definitely right now we will expected a huge crash. I was told you, my brother, but if you are not in my Telegram group, I strongly recommend you to join the Telegram group. So you will be get daily 10 to 15 signal, and absolutely it is 100% accurate what we will expect it right now. You can see here it was a break the trend line downside. So why we will be long right now? You can see here we are out from long position, and when it will break this trend line, and we will expect it a small crash here again 61,000. If it will retest again to 61,000, maybe we will be again long position, but after confirmation retesting. But some experts absolutely says about this. Now we will be see a breakdown from here, and this is not my words, my brother. If you are a long-term holder, then expect it 50,000. Okay, so be safe from it. If you are a short trader, and put SL, my brothers, down from 61. So I hope you will be safe from big loss. See you next time, guys. Subscribe and join Telegram group for future trading signals.